Now that we've covered the core components of AI, it's time to put what you've learned into practice with an interactive demo. On this slide, you'll see a link that says, "Click here" or on the image for an interactive demo. When you click on it, you'll be taken to a dashboard where you can explore different scenarios and determine whether the machine in each scenario qualifies as AI or not. When you click this link, you will be taken to one of the popular large language model, LLM tools called Claude. You may be asked to create an account. Please do, it's free, and will allow you to fully experience the interactive demo. This demo is designed to reinforce the concepts we've discussed by giving you hands-on experience. As you go through the scenarios, the dashboard will explain why a particular machine is or isn't considered AI based on the characteristics we've just learned about. Take your time with this demo and don't hesitate to explore the explanations provided. It's a great way to solidify your understanding of AI and see how these concepts apply in real-world examples. Once you're done, we'll regroup and discuss any questions or insights you might have.